And this is the next project. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
With the RS out of commission, I'm gonna be trying to get a parts car tomorrow. Steering rack is out. Don't know what to do with it, but the show must go on, right? As they say. Here, we bought a 2006, I want to say, Charger SRT-8 on insurance auto auction with what we believe is a blown 6.1 Hemi. It looks pretty decent. I'll show you guys around. This is what the interior looks like. Doesn't look too shabby. But what we ended up doing was buying a 2006 Chrysler 300 that was flooded to the gills with a good 6.1. We compression tested this engine, so we know it's good. This one stinks inside. Seats don't move. Everything's pretty much locked up. If this was newer, then it would be worth repairing. It'd have some value. But since it is an older car, the much lesser value, there's no reason. So this one is just going for parts. I'm going to attempt to turn the motor. As you can see, it's locked up. So this is going to be pretty evident that we need to pull it out and drop in the next one. I think that's a good sign right there. But we took off the wheel. This is just too funny. I guess this is how people drive. How the hell is that even possible? Let's see if this will focus. I guess it doesn't. Look at that rotor. Look at that caliper. That zip tie life, you know what I'm saying? So much braking power.
And like that, the engine is out. Hopefully next week we'll pull the head and show you what happened internally. But for now, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.